What is the area of the given red square as shown on the screen? Label B, C, D, E and G. Let angle C, D, be equals to alpha and the side length of the red square be y. This implies that the ratio of line B, C to line B, D equals to the ratio of 3 to x, which equals to sine alpha, we call it equation 1, and the ratio of line E, G to line D, G equals to the ratio of 6 to x, which equals cosine alpha, we call it equation 2. Square equations 1 and 2. Thus, the square of the ratio of 3 to x equals sine square alpha, and the square of the ratio of 6 to x equals cosine square alpha. Add the two new equations formed, and we have that the sum of the square of the ratio of 3 to x and the square of the ratio of 6 to x equals the sum of sine square alpha and cosine square alpha, which we call equation 3. By trigonometric identity, the sum of sine square alpha and cosine square alpha equal 1. Put it into equation 3. To get the equation shown on the screen, expand brackets and simplify, and we have that 45 divided by x squared equals 1. Cross multiply. This implies that 45 equals x squared. The area of the red square equals x squared. Therefore, the area of the red square equals 45 square units.